Hi Year 4s, welcome to another fun maths tutorial with Mr. Hubel. And I say to you all, Nina Mani, I greet you all in the land that we are learning on and learning mathematics on today is the traditional land of the Kaurna people. And we respect that their traditions are rich and deep and based around language and the sharing of stories. And I hope that the stories we're sharing today about solving maths can enrich our skills. Today we're looking at multiplying using the partitioning method. And I'm going to run you through a few different examples. First of all, so we'll start with 23 times 2. Now with partitioning, what we're doing is we're getting one of these numbers, the 23, and we're breaking it up into its place value parts of 20 plus 3. And we are turning it into smaller calculations that are a bit easier for us to do in our heads. So 20 times 2 plus 3 times 2. Now we are very clever mathematicians, so we know that 20 times 2 is 40, and we know that 3 times 2 is 6, so our answer is 46. But you're all clever little peanuts, and I think we can move on to things that are a little bit trickier than that. What do you all think? Yeah! So we're going to do something a little bit more challenging. So we're going to have a look at 23 times 7. So let's break it up into place value parts. 20 times 7 plus 3 times 7. And we know that 20 times 7 is the same as 2 times 7 with a 0 added, so that'll be 140, and 3 times 7 is 21. So 140 plus 21 is 161. Now to look at how this can be a little bit trickier, we're just going to go back a few steps. Well, just one step to be truthful. And we're going to rearrange the little answers we've got here and split them up again. So 140 is 100 plus 40, and 21 is 20 plus 1. Now we're going to combine the numbers that are the same place, have the same place value, so 40 and 20. So our next line will be 100 plus 60 plus 1. And that again gets us to our answer of 161. Let's do one more before we part ways today. Let's do 17 times 3. So that is 10 times 3 plus 7 times 3. Now we know in BODMAS that we do multiplications first, but sometimes we can just put brackets in just to help us keep ourselves organised. So 10 times 3 is 30, 7 times 3 is 21. So let's break up the 21 into 20 and 1. Then we get 50 plus 1, which is 51. Now, it might seem that there are more steps in this than there need to be. Who agrees? Yeah. Okay. So, there are more steps in this than there have to be. But you will find when we start the next instructional video, which is doing long multiplication using the algorithm, you will find the fact that we've done partitioning in this way makes a little bit more sense. So that's how you use partitioning to help multiplying, and we'll see you for the next video. Bye.